Today we will learn how to create unlimited Gmail accounts. For this, first we need to introduce an extension, not a VPN extension. After that, I selected the US as the country. Then we have, for example, a question. Create account, my personal. Here, put in proxy names, orders names, giving them. You install proxy names, order names as you wish. Here I created your own Gmail account. You need to use your username. I clicked on it. You can set the password as you wish. I said this.
And we are.
You have to get the number from the site, which is this, daisysms.com. So like it predicts something like this. Basically, even though we do it with numbers, creating an email with numbers is difficult, and later many of them get deactivated. Yes, that's why the VPN is used. It will be fine if you skip. Airport. Yes. It's done. Now, if you want to create more accounts, then you will need to change the country using a VPN from there.